Chico. Chico Channel Kudus. Back to Chico. Chico Moriba. The Jabbar Mohamed Salisu. Double up. 3 minutes. The other cultural. Mohamed Salisu. But Jabbar that just
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The Black Stars of Ghana leading by a goal to nil. You have about 4 minutes. Remember, Kontama and our bench again. Antoine Salam Seminole. And like you said, a very first goal about the Black Stars. Oh, look at that Thomas Party. What's the name of the team? Of Naki Williams. In a separate about the team. That's a joke, however. Charlie for the Monday, Ghana Black Stars, Gideon Reiter, Young Definition, Charlie Mariba, Shia Muhammad, one of the Morocco, but Yamano, let's get Simla, of your Chibolo, and one of the one goalkeeper, thank you, sorry. Thank you, sorry. But you want Mohammed, some is one of the one of the outside of them, they came from the lecture, they're not getting it, one of the two, one of the Charlie Mohammed, but you want to support it in Thomas Party for the Black Stars, the Jabbar with one of Charlie Mohammed. Mohamed Salisu, the Black Stars, Salisu, open it in a Kiwian, Omechakwana, Nansu goalkeeper tomorrow. So, Dean Empire Film, what you want to come? Omechakwana, that's all I'm going what you want to kiss Singla, so I'll do this moment, who do the touching, what your control, what are the what in the morning to pass it, and one of the Gideon Mensa, Kudus, one of the Mensa, Mensa Chasu, Antoine Semenyo, that just some of the that's going to be. Watch him out, one over the cinema, Niama, Etas, Mesrebi. Ahmad Abdurrahman, where you want to say the Ghana. The Black Stars of Ghana, across the stadium of Yabama. I'm going to go to my party. We're talking about Alexander Chico. Chico, the Black Stars of Ghana. We're talking about Brantantini, Mohamed Salisu. Salisu, Chabonimo. I don't want to Thomas Party. Party to Salisu. Salisu, the ball. We're talking about Gideon Mensa. Mensa to Antoine Semenyo. Semenyo, the one of the trade. And then Gideon Mensa. There is Salisu Mohamed. We're talking about Alexander Chico. Chico, we're talking about Salisu Stadium. Salisu, the ball, all over the places. The Black Stars. On a crocodile. In a cinema, we're talking about Kudus Mohamed, ya just in one or one of our kids to Shitla. Kutaboro, or Tiabano Sukama, or a copy Mohamed Salisu, Salisu Kutaboro, with Taboro Fefe, or one of Copma Gideon Mensa, Mensani, the Black Stars of Ghana, could Mohamed Salisu, Salisu Pia, or one of one Banazrebi, Sadu Rajani, Thomas Pate, Watuano, or Set Sabano, that's a definition, Kudus Rabo, Watucho, Wachi, Kudus, that's one of them, Wasasole, Satabonema, Delta, Chad, Omonoko, Chad, that's the case in Shindla. That's how your body is in the Black Stars. That's how your body is in the Black Stars of Ghana. That's how your body is in the Black Stars of Ghana. So keep your back to that side. Sima and Solon Terry, 1. Lasso Chad Mill. Over the way speaking. And Kwanya Chad. Only 95.1 FM. And Kuma 87.9. Connect 1. World Cup qualifier. The Black Stars of Ghana 1. Chad Daniels. We're talking about the 10-10-10. Only a second one way a corner kick. Yes, first on the kick. Eddie Amacha. This is the obvious first attempt on Moye. Ghana 80-yard box. Over in your corner. One more player back position Ghana net. I say Academy 200. And a corner kick. A corner attack. Frederick Jota. One of the Grabonati. Frederick Jota. On the Grabonati. Then we are corner kick. Chad. Wometia from Canada. Ghana and your corner kick. Abranta Dirmena Sari. Wakasatan in defense. Yes, Chad the first time Makua Kwelum. I want to we're trying to check that. For the Mr. Kwana. Now, should I be Jordan Ayu? What you want to speaking? I got about the Black Stars of Ghana. Jordan Ayu, captain fantastic. Jordan Ayu is the captain for the Black Stars. Jordan Ayu, one of the captain of the Black Stars in May. One of the Alexander Chiku, Chikweta Bonemo, and about Salisu Mohamed Salisu, one of the Bonema, which he had about AS Monaco, with Cherwana Menesniama, Leon, France of the Piano, with Cherwanoso, and about Les Juku, Chiku Plekiri Apanachi, or on Evan and Chikuni, the Black Stars on the move. Alexander Chiku, Wajemu Tintin, Rwanda Kakuma Salisu, Sena Speko, Salis Nekrabono, Mohamed Salisu, Edmund Black Stars, Pierre Gideon Mensani, a chance for the Black Stars, Chakunim, Jerma Jordan, or the Senechi, or Pegada Matomas Party, Platini, Thomas Party, or Pedawani Tintin, Jordan and Rabox, a chance for the Black Stars, a corner kick, a corner Magana. Nine Mensini, double Black Stars, what a start, what a game for the Stars. A corner kick for the Black Stars of Ghana. Jordan Ayu the Bonnetti, a corner kick. Jordan Ayuni. We put the Bonnet team, a chance for the Black Stars. Goalkeeper Bayani Sem. In Bayani Sem, Chuadin. Wachibono. Bayani Sem, what you want to come up? The Black Stars of Ghana. We put the Bonnet team to one. Abraham Tandini Salis Mohamed, or Timon and President of Ghana. That's what Charlie Marathon Soibono, Mahama Tehetiam, Bono, Thomas Patekocha, Robert Bonavas Pau, Abraham Terry had a perfect chota, 1 year in the two film. Charlie Marathon, Pia Tomeka Tomka, Bonaka Korea Terry, Ariabaka Harum, with Chiabona Sulmana Takomam, Ahmad Abdurrahman, Arwana Sekre, Akakodi Isa Loni, Abdurrahman, Wanaboni Kodanim, Opedamon Tamso, Abretana Jiku, Oberamana Sugo, keep Paddy Ade, Berasawi, FAO, I body Yannick Jonda, one on the Kocha, Abran Terry, only 95.1 FM. Akuma 87.9. Connect 97.1 or Takari. Alexander Chiku, Black Stars of Ghana never. Somebody agree about the go with Thomas Party, Thomas Party, for the Black Stars, Thomas, what about him? Thomas Party, when you have a check academy, over 2 Pasana, with one man, Seven Bono, Alexander Gideon Menta, in Singarama, and South Black Stars and the B, where you want to say, Thomas Party, Thomas Party, the piano, Oda, Abrakadi, Maya, the piano, Abdul, Chikudus, Makachirium, and to the Pia, another in the cinema, or control on the camera, and the Germany, Black Stars, and then Yamatano, Santa Seco, and as a Chemo, Rama Kudus Mohammed, Kudus Ache, and the Penim, the General Gabrata D, and in Yaki Williams, in Yaki Ramata Kudus Pia, Rama Kisle Schindler. We have to say a power now, Yakinim, Thomas Pateni, Patetia, Rama Jordan Ayu, get not to form a free kick. Maybe I want to move. No question. In a minute, I think the Black Stars are dominating. Yes, on check game now, now. I think previously, I said that we will make up play well between transitional defenders never making it. But this time around, transitional time. If you look at the way Thomas Partey dropping between into the center midfielders, every ball from the center defenders, every ball from the center midfielders, from pushing ball now. We are hoping that this particular pick room at go at the back. What we are expecting is that Black Stars on the baseball more than now within the first 5 minutes to go the back. On my end, we like the way they are holding the ball, we like the way they are pressing them. Don't shot a Yagama time for me, they are with their 4-4 formation now. I'm not one of the people defense of how the Black Stars are playing. And in the free kick, Thomas Partey, Kudus Mohammed, Inaki Williams, and Jordan Ayu. Charlie Fonds of Ghana for the one of Quenimudo. Charlie Fonds of Ghana for the one of Quenimudo. One is about a Kudus Mohammed. Jordan, any near Mamuinetai. Thomas Partey, Kudus Mohammed. Partey said Gabona to us, it's between Kudus and Inyaki. There and the other Kudus neighbor. There and the other Kudus neighbor. The Black Stars of Ghana. What did be the moment again? 13 minutes. Kenjalumi. Black Stars. Kudus Mohammed. Following up on it. Thomas Partey. Ekebili Kudus. Samantha. Maune Munyadi. Partey Ekebili Kudus Mohammed Munyadi. Thomas Partey. For a goal kick. 14 minutes approaching the area across Sport Stadium. Goalkeeper to a team by yourself. Man, what better than so? I want to cock my right side. Aruna Buba, Rupia Bonaso, I want to cock my right side. Ali Mahamat, Mahamat, Pia Bonaso. Obeta Pana, I just finished up. Love is creating one of the Inaki Williams. Inaki Pejabon so up and choice of menu. Obeta Babana and Asrabi Samayan Pavano. And choice Samayan Pavano. Bona quickly, Aquacodia Brantan Ahmad Abdurrahman on the Kabana chat. Abdurrahman Piabonoso, Arwana Kakama, your base Abdul Baye, Baye Pedabono, that's the Bisalisu, why is solid, what you want to party, where you want to win your watching Niamani, a time of Black Stars, and it's Yama, where he, and one of Yaki, where Rabo Kubana, in a case of the chance, Bonnie O'Connor. Still the move from the Black Stars. Bonnie O'Connor kick it for the Black Stars. Bonnie O'Connor kick it for the Black Stars. Across Sport Stadium, I there. And if you know, Obi Nevi Noviadabi. And it's no one in the Gabon and see. Bakum, you're in the Black Stars of Ghana. Obi Pegabon in terms of I am in Chaco. Baku, Emianu, Amiansa. I am going to kick it for the Black Stars of Ghana. I am going to kick it for the Black Stars. Baku, Mienu, Miensa, we play your team. Nazabi, Pate, Obejabo, and Mabete. I don't want to NS Namabu, NS Nama, what Chabonaso, Obechana, NS Nama, when Yabate, still Nama, Wache, Okutabon, still President on so, NS Nama, Yabate, we play one of the phone, a time for the Black Stars. Heavy, I offside. I offside. Rafi Ahmed from Libya. Again offside. Yamo Bencher of Black Stars of Ghana. Kingsley Schindler. Assistant coach Desmond Ofe. What Jesse Park in the soccer. And on the Kingsley Schindler, Edin Komo. Kingsley Schindler. Overcast match Thomas Partey. Kingsley Schindler, overcast match there. And it's Nyamanso. That's one of it. And they pass on a message. Sabra Cafe. Ghana Niva could have formed. On a former American USL. So good, 16 minutes. Black Stars of Ghana won. Chad Twatana. The Black Stars of Ghana won. Only 95.1 FM. Akuma 87.9 Kumase. Connect Ewo Takare 97.1 FM. Alexander Chiku. Coach Otuado Atosafeno. Osho Mnano Mechi. Asu Wechiro Numa Defendie. Desmond Ofe. One in the coach Adidi Yade. Otuado Edim Komo. Otuado and Osho Nitiri Waya Chain. And on any Musani Owekoye. Goalkeeper Joaquin Mbayasa. Modern Nabonechi. What about them?
Monitor Bibia. Osho. AKA.
Chad. Black Stars won Cardinal World Cup qualifier with a win. Black Stars will be leading the group I. Yes, Chiku Wapim Garam Rantan and Ayating. Abrantan Tia Gideon Mensa or Pimbono so and the partners to be to my Patabe Tibono with Chabo Murana Gideon Mensa Gideon or Bonitemso or Jordan Ayu the Piana Ibon Peter and Penny Abrantan Yate Ahmad Abdurrahman Watepa Bonabga goalkeeper Joaquin with Chabo anymore or the one of Abrantan Isa Loni Nedboniba Loni Isa with Tabu Tare or the Bonibani with Yerbanaka one of my first man Felix in Nuapara Taboniba, that's Urbana Coco Chakana, California, Akaka, Bonagori Kudus, Asia Kubebe, Wati, but not from Watabono, Kudus Tabonibu, Watano, or Willisabua, Kudusini, or Bonaconim, with Jerma Giormensa, Mensa Kudabono, Kudus, or Bonacoma Giormensa, Gideon Piana Thomas Party, Thomas Partey, the Black Stars of Ghana on the offensive, Black Stars, Thomas Partey, or Bonasanechi, or Bonacoma Branchani Salis Mohammed Salisu, with Chabo Rimu, or Bonacoma Niama to Salis Mohammed Salis Piano Alexander Chikuni for the Black Stars. Chiku Jabon, Rwana Kakuma, Rantaridi, Eric Thomas Pache, Omecha Sotana, Thomas Achi, Nesha Definition, one with Chakwana, Abrantani, Gideon Mensa, Ababa Disalisu, when you're showing in one of the Black Stars of Ghana. Otuado expecting to have on the right side. Or you complain with the chair, that's one affair. 1 year throwing, Black Stars, 18 minutes of action. The Black Stars of Ghana won. Bona Gavri Thomas Patabi, Abrantani and Estima, Opiama Gideon Mensa, ni, Opiawan Zarabeche, Rwana Gagma, Alexander Jiku, Chikuneba, Black Stars, Alexander Jiku, Chikuneba, or Trasana Seco, about a 10 of Antoine Salam Semeyo, of Obona Skileti, Obechafana, another poor display. Another poor display from Alexander Jiku, a train a Cordoba, a chart. 1 year train a Cordoba chart. Over the right side, Ahmad Abdurrahman, what's the one attempt to? Adavana Albaye, the club of Chachana, then said you want to finish him. Another trainer, Chadmano, what's the attempt to? Ovechakana, Black Star area, Gideon Mensa, with second 8 day out there. Out of French Liga, with General Alexander Chiku Jaburmo, Charles Mohamed, honestly, second of Monaco Boga, a better one in Tintin, Inaki, Banana, Jordan, are you? Monaco, he nearly got it. Pono was a big chance. That was a big chance. Yes, it's a very big chance. I think no person achieved the ball because the goalkeeper was right in front of him. The only option was to chip the ball. But no, the raw chipping ball not chipping is too high. But I think it's a good start. I just love the link up play between the midfielders and the forward. And I think there's more goals ahead to come. I know somebody I will comment two position of us. Stadium maybe and some truck for the one of supporters at Jeffa. I'll call the Chad Master. Ahmad. Albaye, that's going to be Black Stars of Ghana. And also, Ariamo Pentachat. And the customer said, Black Stars, bro. Goalkeeper Benjamin Asawi. He's on holiday. Or Kasari player, he's the Schindler. So for the right side. Bona Kakuri, Alexander Chiku, Piabona Matumas Party, Niama, there was two match weight on the ball. Bona Kakuri chat. Chiku, Watibono, Piama Matumas Party, Matele Chakana, Watibono, Wachi, Tuas Orma Kudus Moment, Kudus Chakana, Kusachi, the Robot Simu, Obako, Kudus, Inaki, Kudus, a chance, everything. Move, no effort. Like you rightly said, another speed move. Yes, and I can link up with a very transition and therefore compare previous games that is not transition to a very neat. Also, the way almost Kitabono from midfield, now forward. From defender, Kerida Jikuti Bon here, right to pass down Roba and Kudu. Communication is very good. Who's the Kudus release the ball? Kudus to the man, Jordan, and I Jordan had the man, but what a beautiful play from this Black Star. Bona Kakuri goalkeeper Joaquin, with Temurana Kakuma Saradini, and the Insaloni, non the Cabono, with Chabonos Kama, Frederick Jota, Chad Furidia Go, Robert Siakim, Chad Bonadoneba, Chad on the offensive, Sarah Seco, Whatsa, Obechakana, with Tabonimu, or one of the Saradin, and the Ali Mahamad, a chance for Chad, Omasana, watching, that's going to be for a party, one of the things in that, let's never perform a free kick. A free kick according to Chad. A free kick according to Chad. The Black Stars of Ghana. Kudus Mohamed. Oniko to Tuaru Edinkobo. Kudus Mohamed Oniko to Tuaru Edinkobo. Wamana Paul. Into a team. Bona Babadia Branchini. Eddie Schindler. Obexako Wache. On the Moriba. Kingsley Schindler. On the Neba. With Piermona Kokuma Inaki. Inaki Messiano. With Tabonu. Jordan Ayu. Communication Yagma. Jordan Kutabono. Rwana Mantua Semeyo. Obexakana. Antoine Semeyo. Opegamaneti. A chance for the Black Stars. That's the B. Abrachandi Kingsley Schindler. Obexakonana. Wasabono. Obexakona Sebi. Rwana Kokoche. Opegabono Boni Choi. And Quadimana Black Stars of Ghana. And showing a Black Stars, 23 minutes of action. Ghana 1, Chad Nils, attacking showing, and Nesniama, one of Cowboy, and Nesniama, with Saraseko, Salis Mohamed, Mohamed Salis bora Sanechi. Adwana Malik Sanechiku. Chiku bien. Adwana Kokoma. Thomas Pate. Thomas. Upige bwana tente. Ope Kingsley Shinla Tianko. Kingsley Shinla. Tianko. Bwana kwa kodi. Chade Mratano. Nese Nesema. Kwa wia bono. Nese Rofi Sire Fao Yemo 20 Nesema. Fao Yemo de Terra Black Stars of Ghana Nesema Nepechae. The Black Stars of Ghana in Abre. From here, 95.1 from live commentary from the Accra Sports Stadium. World Cup qualifier. The Black Stars of Ghana, 24 minutes action. So far, they are leading by a goal. Antoine Semenyo in the first minute. Corner on the right side of the defense. Edmund Chad. Abrantani Ahmad Abdurrahman. One of the Boniba. Over Tiapana. Or Trasana Zeko. Mohamed Chupas. Next for Branta Salisu. Wajirama Pate Piabonusu. Odbona Kokuma Player. And a Siama. Wachi. Niama wa form of power. And a Siamani. One of the Bonipo. And a Siama. NSD. Wachemo. Edward Thomas Pate. Wachiana and a Siama. And a Siama Crabono. And a Siama. The ball for the Black Stars. And a Siama. With Chabo. Alexander Chiku. With the man Mohamed Salisu. One of the Boniba. With Pierre. One Gideon Mensa. Chabo. Somaye. Antoine Salam Semenyo. With Pierre Mohamed Salisu. The Black Stars. One of the Boniba. With Chabo. One Antoine Semenyo. Alexander Chiku. Omunya careful. Passes like today. The Bukema. And they are Sabao. One of the Mohamed Salisu. Mohamed. One of Cabono. The Pedro Jordan Mekana. That's Levy. Or Pimon FT. Abraham Adi. One of the Cabono. Abraham Gabakla. 4-year toin. Economic Black John. Korea 95.1 FM. Akuma 87.9. Connect 97.1. Live commentary from the Accra Sports Stadium. What is the Black Stars? Thomas Pate. With Tabo. Gideon Mensa. Wayne. Bonnie attacking showing. And of course, we say Tade for Muchapa. Woman in Chedi, Black Stars of Ghana. Supporters listen all good, but that's a good in your view. Bona Kakori on Mensa, with Chena starts watching it. Oh, my yellow card of Ebwa. Yellow card of the time. Number 17, second man. Yves Albaye. One yellow card, though. Albaye Yves. Okocha Gideon Mensa go from Abo Plananisa. Gideon Mensa. Jordan Ayew. Odawa Thomas Partey. Back to Jordan Ayew. Jordan Ekabo. Odawa Mohamed Salisu. Salisu Krabono. Salisu. Opiano Mano Machiku. Kingsley Shinla Jemo. And a Sema Bachi. Obekwana. And a Sema. Wachi. And a Sema. Oibonatum. Thomas Partey. Over Kudus Mohamed. Over Rabok Simu. Kudus Rabok Simu. A time for the Black Stars. There's one at Toko. Over Semenyo. Semenyo Boko. Oibona Benim. The Black Stars of Ghana. Inaki Williams. Oibona Kama. Odawa Gideon Mensa. Antoine Semenyo. Black Stars of Ghana. Antoine Semenyo. Jordan Ayew. Rabok Simu. Next chat. Speaking at the Black Stars. Moro kutara Black Air chat. Lasso. Omani abri apa planya sem kutwa. My energy to the enemy. The Black Stars of Ghana. My energy to the enemy. And many can be a better. What you want to say to you? Money a choice. The Black Stars of Ghana Ebabeto. Only 95.1 FM, Akuma 87.9. Connect 97.1 FM. The Accra Sports Stadium. Whatever in the cinema. Or control Bonadano. We tell them Alexander Chiku. Chiku is Thomas Pate. Pateni Boniba. Pateni Thomas Pate. Pate Gaboro. Odwana Kudus. Kudus Vetiokana. Oremo. NSA Naki. Wentianko. Bona Babedi. Mahamat. Shinla dia Ubiaso, Ghana Saji, Naki, we eat a Shinla, Kempton, Kingsley Shinla, across the face of goal, where you want to play 3, a corner, the Black Stars of Ghana. The Black Stars of Ghana. The Black Stars of Ghana. Ghana plays me now for that box with a step still off. Gideon Mensa. on your Benton D. Kingsley Schindler. Woman away, near Kenny now, or take about a sim, a telephone about the chair. Where you want to say? Counter Messona, counter, Shadow Pagabano, Mahamat, Nelson Gidiomesa, what you want to finish them? Gidiomesa, one of the Bono, or Chairman of the Sabato, yes, Yama, or Pagabano, and a Sama Pagano, and a Sama.
Also, what you say, Yepa, which you made so now.
Nesema, one Cabono, Obechana, and Nesema, the Black Stars, the Thomas Party, Thomas Party, Thomas Party, or one of our Kingsley Schindler, Schindler the Kutabono, Kingsley, the Table, or one of our Thomas Party, Debbie, Alexander Chiku, Chiku Naruaneko, the Table Mohammed Charlie, Black Stars, Gideon Mensa, Jordan Ayu, one Cabono, Jordan, the Cabo Mukama, Jordan Ayu, Keshav Lucasi, last up by some positions, Jordan on the left side, Obechana, and free kick. Nicholson, at the start of the game, no, Inaki Williams and the right side of attack. And Mohamed Kudus, in front of Thomas Partey, or no Kudus, any in front of Thomas Partey. And then Inaki, from the middle. Jordan, behind the two, and as a striker. You know, as a Jordan, a movie from the center forward, echo the left side of attack, and Antoine Semenyo. Abba MPP, Ubewe and Esnyama were moving from the number 10 row. Abba the right side. What is happening? Yes, I think Coach actually the real game in the airport. So they are now most of the time. It's about never air right hand side one now. And they are not Williams 80 push on air 80-yard boxing. But looking at the skills, Nyama one. Nyama to me than the ball never come at the top. Defenders who do 80-yard boxing. So it's all about trying to push the ball into the 80-yard box. Nyama is being direct with the ball. It's a possible 80-yard boxing direct. You are sure and no account and I might a coach or to add the ISN Sakayano. But that's the own position of field of play. Jordan Ayu, on the next Nyama, and a Jabonachi. Jordan Ayu, on the Nyama and a Jabonachi, on a free kick. Ghana Betray of Tosminona. Ghana Betray of Tosminona. Ghana Betray of Tosminona. Ghana Betray of Tosminona. Obiasi go, Baku Vermesa, Kudu, David, what a chance of him. Opportunity, Inaki! Brad Emil, athletic to be a ball striker. Inaki Williams, athletic over the Black Stars. Nicholson, a beautiful header, a beautiful and a simple goal. 2-0 Black Stars LED. Yes, I think this is a beautiful goal from Inaki Williams. What's up when I go in the first to buy now? Idea Ghana Black Stars technical team next year. Our previous 2 games are going about 25 set pieces are Ghana now. Including funnels, there's no progressive Akumpo and for Anya go. But we shut this wonderful pieces are Ghana now. Yes, Koya Niama and Passima Kudus. Honestly, when you require as an Elena cross out of it, I'm going to they can tell yourself. Technical team next year will be out of set pieces. And we are hoping the set pieces to be Ghana Benya or match home. The rest now come back to Amanayo goals. I'm not more goals up here. I'm not surprised that you see a second goal. And now one see a third goal even before the first half. Black Stars of Ghana too. Brad Emil, Inaki Williams. But I already brought it into the Semenyo. Watching over corner. Jacob Phillips. Over with a shot. We want to be Pamaso. Abdurrahman. One of the Wareko. Abdurrahman. Adamana Santana Yannick Dwande. Over Chapana not to film. Robinson Choi. You're Black Stars of Ghana. 33 minutes. The Black Stars of Ghana are leading by 2 goals to 0. Ghana 2, Chad 0. Ghana 2, Chad 0. The Black Stars of Ghana, goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. Benjamin Asari. When we at Timono, our fans will go from to Papa. Former goalkeeper of Great Olympics, and now the crowd of the book. The only local base player starting game, no. For the Brighton Games, Nyama the Craboro, and the Wadia Gropa, the General Thomas Party, Patel Chiku, Chiku Jabodimo, or one of Kokoma Brighton D, any moment Charlie Shoe. Sorry, Moriba, for the Black Stars, for the Gabanesim, Inaki, Oriabono, Eddie. That was a big chance. Kudus Patia, Mono Kudus, Ometan Hola, the Yamasre, the Jabonimo, another Kingsley Schindler, Winner of Rabono, Ometan Ghana.
87.9 Kumasi.
Bonimo Dieva Pena Samkutwa, one Eddie Kudi, Black Stars, Eminati, Ayapunati, Ayapunati. Abracadabra, Yade. As you are saying, on the ball, you will not see the move. And I tell the 2 from. I have put up your government of Black Stars. That was another beautiful move. Penalty. Jordan Akosobono. Yes, I'm a catch. I said, the second goal before first half. And I'm one. Beautiful link up play from the player. Push up from defense to midfield. Transition is also step. And I think that the second step is actually another play. Going forward, in this one we are starting from the Black Stars. We are hoping that someone will contact it. Someone will put a missing penalty that. And we hope it will continue from today. Someone comes on the field. Or they want to act now. I'm a person and I'm a government center. There is a likely 7th goal before first half. No, play will ever bomb ever. Oh no, a penalty. A quarter of the Black Stars of Ghana. Abraham Yari. Abraham Yari. Jordan, are you ready? Ghana Benya Tedwana. Ghana Benya Tedwana. Ghana Benya Tedwana. Jordan is not going a penalty for the Black Stars of Ghana. Jordan, are you? Jordan, are you? Baku Yaribiasa. Jordan, are you? Jordan, are you? Jordan, are you? Ghana 3. Ghana 3. Ghana 3. Absolutely beautiful for the start. Come on, over the start. Yeah. Over the start. The Black Stars of Ghana. For many of you, Papa, I am thinking they can wall up the chat. Yes, there are more goals to come. With beautiful football and link up. Benjamin Asari is very calm in the post. India, I think I said today, when we don't have your copy. Black Stars of Ghana, Thomas Partey, one of Cabono, when you have a Cabono, and one of Cabono in Mensa, with Cabono, I don't want to tell you, Jordan, over Cabono, I don't want to tell you, Samuel Yabatre, Jordan Cabono, or one of Quatre, American Mensa Pia, Salis Mohammed, Chalisu, with Cabono, Kingsley Schindler, one of Cabono, Kingsley Schindler, with Cabono, or one of Cabono, Eddie Inaki, or one of Kingsley Schindler de Cabono, with Cabono Champa, or one of Cabono, and one of Thomas Partey, the Black Star of Ghana, with Piawan Tampaso, or one of Cabono, Eddie Gideon Mensah bi Antoine Samayo back to Salisu the Carbano with Abonimo Black Stars Bonabere Gideon Mensah Alma Isingana Nasirabi Bonyabotre Bonabere Abrantandi Eric Samayo the Carbano Samayo Pia Kudus Asia Webe Kudus they would love to score Kudus Pia Gideon Mensah Ejabo Tembo Arwana Bekre Thomas Pate Wakoncho Ibono Shalom Samayo Obo Sotana Debi Bonyabotre back to Thomas Pate Team of football the Black Stars of Ghana. Oh my goodness. Bonabere Kisni Shinla the Carbano Ojen Wanama Niamani Black Stars NSIama Piabono Arwana Kakuma Brantani Alexander Chiku Alex Joko Jabonimo Bonabere Brantani Salisu Pia Gideon Mensah Nasrabi 40 minutes approaching. This is one of the best games Black Stars have played under Otuado. Will you agree to that? 100%. 100%. I think I saw I am Mamaye. So I am Mamaye Thomas Partey. After to be in front of the center back, you know, you could realize that the people of Piano will passes through Thomas Partey. The Thomas Partey beat to the ball. Which are when you for passes. When you players are ready to receive the ball. When you come over there, 18 box match, it is very dangerous. Kudos to the technical team for good thing that they've done with the Black Stars. The Black Stars of Ghana. And as Yama, what a club on the Black Stars, so what a club in the South, so please do one in them. One of the Yama, we tell them what party, but the one of Manama, or one of the a chance for chat, or a talk around as a be. Alexander Chiku. Bonabere Gideon Mensah here, or one of Antoine Samayo, Samayo, over Pechana, Samayo, Oyabote, Samayo Satubo, Samayo Pierre Gideon Mensah ni, Pierre Salam Samayo, Shoya Pierre Gideon Mensah Bonabere. Otabo Bonabere Salisu. Salisu Pierre Samayo, Wachino, Antoine Samayo, Onimono, Orabo, Eta Debi. Thomas Pate, of the Sotabo, the German NSIama, and Thomas Massa, the Control Ghana. Oh, what a problem. Abdurrahman, Osman Muhammad, Thomas Pate, Abadjana, Nasrabi, Abradjana, Oche, or one of them, Obekwana, Nasrabi. Bonabere Abrantani Ade Ali, with Jabonoso, Adwana Yanik Wanda, with Jabonibo, Bonabere Abrantani, and Isaloni, the Carbano, or Jabonoso. One more dear Papa, one of Papa, Abrantani Kisashilla, with Jabonoso, while we have one in the Black Stars of Ghana, and Tanto, Sadam Natanasa, Abrantani. Adi Tia Mahama, Reba, Tia Mahama, Obesafana, Ghana, sorry you, Reba Kudus, oh my goodness, what a chance, what a move, beautiful from Kudus, good goalkeeping from Swansea, the Swansea about no more than you, Pam, and I can't go with conventional for people, people expect to take a Kudus at the box office. The same way a goalkeeper is a wonderful from the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper number no more than pass. What you have to do? Can you now see if I link up player and make a watch him? So we are going to move for the opera. It's very unfortunate how I put the picture away. About the Sabbath, it all started from the method. Make up player the method. Don't look at Jordan or Jordan to do. You pass at the man. We are not to take this about you, but you know. Not third one, I can't get a ball at all. I send that. But need that to go to Pan about home more than one shady boy. Beautiful scene that is across stadium. Beautiful scene that is across stadium. Beautiful scene that is across stadium. The Mexican way. Oh my goodness. Across stadium in the venue of Assassin. And everybody to me, and everybody in the journey. Oh my goodness! Uncle Stadium is buzzing. Absolutely incredible. I am loving the scene here. This is a festival. I'm scared a bit. Me and my person to say, I want a rough sense. Maybe I now you can say scoreboard in one before the start of the game. Make a play a tape for say, yeah, ma. Make a play a tape for say, you ma professional you see. But I want to ma. Right stand now because say you know. I want to ma. I'm scared. Also, I didn't answer. Fuck him, you're mad game. Also, there be a media stand the class. And all of people make your banana for even media for the break down the area. But yeah, man, it is not for protect who will be a moment now. Unless that place, even on Pregas, I won't know your mouth, but still, a couple agents, but like I said, we will just stadium up on my team. So there is risk involved. There will be a next time, next game. The Omonia, I'm not going to sign them. I'm in touch and send a buyer. We'll probably never be a canal rich shot and I day. About oh my goodness, I'm enjoying the season across the stadium. Support the Bianca on the phone line. Support the Bianca on the phone line. Higher there. The Black Stars. There is a new change. A new Black Stars. And the supporters are here. They are in their numbers. Oh my goodness, the Black Stars. Thomas Party. We're talking about the Sadatiku. You couldn't know never. Ghana Nationals. Thomas Party. Enter! The Black Stars of Ghana. I cannot put it anybody. Across the mind. The Black Stars of Ghana. That is Simonian National. And that's some Kutuka. Who wants the game? 2 minutes of the break time. Ghana 3. Ghana nil. Game the more dear for play tonight of Tibabe. On a good shot. Abdurrahman. 2 minutes of the national cover. On a factory. A company of Ahmad. A piano of Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman and Modiba. On a company. Chad. Chad on target. Shot in the game of number 1. Antoine Samayo, Wajibano, Samayo, Diakondefa, Samayo, the piano and the Sema, Niama and the Sema, Rabajon, Black Stars, and the Sema, and the Trevi. Solid football from the Black Stars. Coached by Joaquin, Wajibano, the one of my head. And 2 minutes last one, sir. Let's remember the Freddy Calamari. One of the Abdurrahman. The Black Stars of Ghana. 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 One of the Abdurrahman. Dapla. One of the chat. One of the Abraham Ali Rahman. What's your name, Yannick? Yannick Neba, Abraham Isaloni, Loni Jabon, Armana Ali Bejapo, the definition, Black Stars, Thomas Party, watch it, Thomas Party, Wajabon, Kudus Mohammed, one of the Monaco, Thomas Party, Kudus, Wajabon Mohammed, Armana Kokma, Adi Kingsley Silla, one of the Jiku, Shalisu. Otuado Oluswa of Swati, or Sanswa of Swati, or Freddy Canabere. The Black Stars of Ghana. Total dominance. Absolutely incredible. Magnificent performance. Black Stars of Ghana. What Freddy Canabere. Amazing football from the Black Stars. What a first half. Incredible. This is a very long time. Africa. I hope the Black Stars be safe. It's been a very, very long time. The Black Stars won the from one set and for the baby was on holiday. But most said the real or what the man or trying to defend the best. You said about what a wonderful rock. What a